If we say that from spirituality corporeality is born, then of course in spirituality there must be the root to corporeality. And the truth is that in corporeality there is no root to spirituality in corporeality because corporeality does not exist. The world we're in, the state we're in, is an imaginary state only. Where, well, I can't transfer to you this feeling, but it doesn't exist. It exists in our wild, sickly imagination, which we need to awaken, recover, and rise up from, and to wake up and come to the true perception. Sight, I don't know if I could say sight, but the true perception with all our senses. And what is now that we're in, with all the science and the entire world and all that's happening in it, with all that's happening to us from day to day, which we are in this whirlpool of issues. All of this is happening only in our imagination. In our imagination. That's why you cannot bring a line from corporeality to spirituality and the other way around too, from spirituality to corporeality. And if you were to ask, so where is the root which is for our current perception? Because nevertheless, the fact you could say, okay, you're saying that we are not in some reality, but there's something in this or not? Yes, it's there. This. I don't know how to define this, but this world is in our imagination, in our feelings, and we are in it in a scientific, emotional, intellectual manner. We are standing on the ground. Everything kind of exists. And all of this is a reflection from spirituality, which is in us, in this false perception of reality, which we need to resolve. We need to solve this mistake. And to see that all of this is truly as non-existent. It's non-existent. As from this preparation, from this recognition that it doesn't exist, we need to rise to spirituality. Because in order to receive doesn't exist, in short. The manner in which it's contradicted to the Creator, to the one force, does not exist. It exists only in an imaginary manner, so that from it, from the opposite thing, we will be able to attain the unity. All in all. Adhesion. Only for that. But that's what reality is for as imaginary. So that we will be able to depict from it the opposite form of unity, connection, adhesion, dvikut.